Adobe Premiere Pro export audio only video problem solved. Okay, so I have a video clip that I want to only have the audio file format instead of the video. And this is what it looks like. A low-level exception occurred in Adobe Scope's Transmit Create instance. Well, isn't that great, Premiere? So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can transform this. A low-level exception occurred in Adobe Scopes into this. A low-level exception occurred in Adobe Scopes. Okay, so assuming you're using the same audio or video file that you want to use to transform into audio, create an in point and an out point, assuming you have the video and it's under the timeline, and then click Ctrl+M to prepare your video to export into audio only. Okay, now under the export settings, under the format, you're going to want to change this so it's an MP3 audio file format. In this case, it probably isn't. So you want to click on the drop-down arrow, and then whatever you have, you want to locate where it says MP3. And then under the preset, you also want to click the drop-down arrow and make sure it's clicked on the third option, which is the 2.5 kbs highest quality, which is the highest quality audio. And then under the output name, make sure you save this wherever you want on your PC, desktop, or Mac. Click Save. And then you have two options to click Queue or export it directly. And we're going to click Export. Okay, so now this is the before. A low-level exception occurred in Adobe Scope's Transmit Create instance. Well, isn't that great, Premiere? And this is the after. A low-level exception occurred in Adobe Scope's Transmit Create instance. Well, isn't that great, Premiere? That's how you can fix the Adobe Premiere Pro export audio only video problem. Check out the playlist for more videos like this and subscribe to the channel with all post notifications.